The sky was dark, the moon was high, all alone, just her and I. Her hair was soft, her eyes were blue, I knew just what she wanted to do. Her skin so soft, her legs so fine, I ran my fingers down her spine. I didn't know how, but I tried my best to put my hand upon her chest. I remember my fast beating heart, but slowly she spread her legs apart. And when she did, I felt no shame. All at once, the white stuff came. At last it was finished. It's all over now. My first time milking a cow.